Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a Saint Laurent unboxing. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen that I posted a picture earlier today showing that I did get something at Saint Laurent. This is actually my very first Saint Laurent purchase ever. I don't own anything from them and never have. A few days ago I posted my 2019 luxury wish list on Instagram, and it was just a few pieces that I'm hoping to add to my collection this year, and this was one of them. So I'm going to get into the unboxing and then kind of explain why I chose the one I did. So it's actually a really kind of long box, bag. So it's a really tall bag. So that's what the bag looks like, and the bag is sealed at the top. So let's see if I can get this open. Hopefully I don't need scissors. Let's try to do it with my nail here. There we go. Okay. So here is the box, wrapped very nicely. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. Let's see if I can slide this off. There we go. So that's the Saint Laurent box. And that's one of the reasons that I purchased this from the Saint Laurent boutique, was I wanted to make sure I was able to get the box. So that is the tissue and the sticker packaged very nicely. I know that some department stores, or I think most department stores, do not include a box when you purchase a Saint Laurent bag, so I wanted to make sure that I purchased it from the boutique. Okay, oops, I stripped the sticker there, but oh well. Okay. So here is the dust bag. The dust bag actually feels really nice. And to reveal, all nicely packaged because it was a fresh one from the back of the store. So to reveal, my brand new toy Loulou bag in the color dark turquoise. So this is the same style bag that I had on my wish list. It's just a different color. So the reason that I chose this was because I was originally planning to get black, and I actually posted a couple weeks ago, I had looked at the black on black with the black hardware, and the black was silver hardware. And I was leaning more towards the black with black hardware because I just liked the look of it better, but I'll just show you. I have the Chanel rectangular mini in the So Black, the black hardware with the crumpled black calfskin. And I mean, they're a very similar size bag. They're both crossbody, both flat bags. So both hold about the same amount. So I felt like if I got the black on black toy Loulou, it would be a very similar bag to this, and I just didn't feel like I'd use it as much because I'd probably reach for this more. So then when I saw this color, as you guys know, I love turquoise, and this is a much darker turquoise. It's just a very different color. So it is still, you know, it's a darker color, which I wanted to be able to use year-round, including in the fall and winter, and it's still relatively neutral. and it's got the silver hardware. So I just felt like this would be a good choice because I love turquoise type colors, and it's still, you know, a darker color like I wanted. And I don't really have another bag that is in this color. So also this is a limited color that Saint Laurent is doing. So I can always get a black one later if I still want it. But anyway, this is the color I chose. So it has the crossbody strap, which is all packaged up very nicely. So I don't know if I'm gonna unpackage all of that right now on camera. I will do a first impressions video of this bag once I've had a chance to use it, but just to show you the inside, it has kind of two main compartments plus a zipped compartment, a slip pocket here, and then a slip pocket and some card slots at the front. And this is, I think, the authenticity card. And one thing I like about this bag is that it has the detachable crossbody strap, but this crossbody strap can also come apart, and it can part of it can be used as a wristlet. So I could use this bag in the evening as a wristlet. I mean, you could also use it as a clutch. I don't think I'd ever do that though. I think I would want to use the wristlet little part of the strap. I'm not really a clutch kind of person, and I think this is a bit wide to be just a clutch, but I think I will use it as a wristlet for sure. So I like that versatility. Yeah, it's just a really, really cute bag, and I have to say that the price, after buying a lot of Chanel last year, you know, the price of, you know, it was under 1,500 Canadian, just under 1,500 plus tax. So it came out to just under 1,700 Canadian, which, you know, is a lot. The price is a lot more reasonable, obviously, than Chanel prices. So it was kind of nice to get a bag under $2,000 after buying a lot of, you know, expensive Chanel bags last year. So yeah, so this is my new purchase. So this is an item checked off my 2019 wish list. It's, yeah, slightly different color, but I think this was a better choice for my collection. And the colors, it's coming up slightly different on camera than it looks like it's a little bit different on camera than it is in person, but it's close enough. I think you get the idea. And yeah, the silver hardware is more of a matte. It's not a shiny silver. And I think it'll just be nice for, you know, a casual kind of weekend or everyday bag. It's really nice, and the leather feels really nice. Yeah, so I think I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.